Welcome. Today we will learn about a wonderful word. The word is adventure. An adventure is a fun and exciting experience. It makes you feel happy and alive. Adventure means trying something new. It means doing things you have not done before. Adventures can be big or small. A big adventure is climbing a mountain. A small adventure is walking in a new park. Both are special. Going to a new place is an adventure. When you visit a new city or forest, you see new things. This is exciting. Learning something new is also an adventure. You can learn to swim. You can ride a bike. You can try a new game. All of these are adventures. Adventure can be outside or inside. Outside adventures are hiking and camping. Inside adventures are reading a story or playing a new game. Both are fun. When you have an adventure, you feel many things. You feel excited. You feel happy. Sometimes you feel a little scared. All these feelings are normal. Stories have many adventures. When you read books, you go on adventures with the characters. This is a great way to explore. People have adventures every day. They explore nature. They try new sports. They visit new places. Adventures are everywhere. Why do people like adventures? Adventures are fun and exciting. You learn new things. You feel brave. This makes life interesting. Adventures are better with friends. When you share an adventure with friends, you have more fun. You make happy memories together. How do you start an adventure? First, find a new place or activity. Be curious and open. Try your best. That is all you need. Adventures can be safe. If you prepare well, you can stay safe. Always think before you go. Prepare before an adventure. Plan your trip. Take water and food. Tell someone where you go. This keeps you safe. What should you bring on an adventure? Bring a map. Bring snacks. Wear comfortable shoes. Take a water bottle. These things help you. Adventure is good for you. It makes you healthy and happy. Your body and mind become stronger. Adventure helps you learn. You learn new words. You learn about new places. You learn new skills. This makes you smarter. There are different kinds of adventures. There are nature adventures. There are city adventures. There are learning adventures. There are sport adventures. You can choose what you like. A nature adventure is exploring the outdoors. You can hike in the mountains. You can camp in the forest. You can watch animals and plants. A city adventure is exploring a city. You can visit museums. You can walk in new streets. You can try new restaurants. Cities are full of surprises. A learning adventure is when you learn something new. You can go to a class. You can visit a library. You can join a workshop. Learning is exciting. A sport adventure is trying a new sport. You can play soccer. You can try swimming. You can learn to dance. Moving your body is fun. Adventure is for everyone. Anyone can have adventures. It does not matter how old you are. It does not matter where you live. Everyone can explore. Adventure starts with a step. Take one step and start your adventure. Do not wait. Begin today. Adventure can be every day. Walk to a new place. Try a new food. Read a new story. Small adventures make life better. Be brave in adventures. Try new things even if you feel nervous. Being brave helps you grow. Have fun on your adventures. Smile and enjoy every moment. Adventures are meant to be fun. Remember your adventures. Keep your memories with photos or drawings. Look at them later and feel happy again. Your adventure awaits. The world is full of adventures for you. Go out and explore. Be curious. Be brave. Enjoy your life. Thank you for learning about adventure. Now go and have your own adventure. Goodbye and good luck.